totally cool and different from what I got. But it's all in a really cool of the holidays, and just you can do this all year round. It's not only is holidays only. So go ahead. Before you just tuning in, I did it earlier along with the first nails. I did apply the premium eye hold chamfer foil, which is right here, and I keep it for 30 seconds. He'll just remind me that I have it. So I'm gonna put the chamfer foil on. You see how it chamfers completely. So if you feel like it's missing spot in anywhere, lay it back up. And then you can give it a good pressures and how it transfer completely for you. Here you go. You have a beautiful sample is holiday design. I think is ornaments. That is my designs. And so I'm going to add some crystal on. Okay, put it back in. For that, my sub box this month, I'm going to go ahead and using some condensed glue gels, which is you are getting on this kit as well. You are getting your crystal trifecta. And apply thin coat of condensed glue gel. And follow right with the no wipe top coat right on the top. You can see that how I spread out the condensed glue gels. It's a really thick density.
Yep, and remember, no white. Tap out.
Ah, I'll win again. I'm so happy I get $20 for my coffee. So now you won't complain when I go get my coffee.
Hey Bellanelle, yes, the Black Friday kit is available now on our official website at glitzsuccessandsuch.com. Head over to either Crystal Kit or New Arrival.
Oh my gosh. You get this kit and guess what happened? You get your Crystal Trifecta, and then you are getting yours pickers, which is I'm using. And then you also get twin tip brush, which is my twin tip brush is with me forever, a long time, and it lasts for a long time. As long as you are taking care of it, pinch your brush and wipe off the excess glue gels, cap on. It will last all so long. So I'm so excited. I'm gonna add, okay, you know, you see the lot of red down here, right there. So beautiful. It's on here. Let me see. I'm gonna show the Instagram for just a second.
Just like that. You can zoom out.
I'm gonna add this one right there. Oh my goodness. So beautiful. I'm gonna continue adding a couple more. Is the tiny little ring drop there. And I have a little red crystal here. There's so much in this. You have to see yourself. I mean, I don't know how to say it. You have to experience it yourself to see how gorgeous this kit is. It has so many. I will not be surprised if you DM us and Nancy. You are so right. This kit is, I have so many and everything. It's a variety of it. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15.
Oh, 15. And what's the number of the transfer foil we just used?
Number, which one? This one? This one?
I think, yeah,
this one is on my sub box. However, in one of the Christmas chamfer foils is number 110. 110, that's the number. So grab it. One is now is $7. It's the biggest sales of the years, and it only happens once. And I should suggest just heading to the websites and grab them before it's sold out. So a lot of products is just like, it'll be surprising of being in the first day of like almost sold out. That's insane. Just want to make sure everybody able to take advantage and get such a great sales before everything is sold out. So then you can have a lot of stock and a lot of products. So whenever the clients want it, you got it. So I'm going to add the filler of a crystal AB. So I'm choosing like number SS3 is really a beautiful, it's small enough, it's not too busy, but also it's like it's gonna give it a good like a sparkle, but it's not busy enough that it's taking away. I can keep going on and on about this ornaments, but I'm just like leave it right there. So gorgeous. You can add more crystal along here. You can dress it up however you would like. I think it looks so gorgeous. And you know what happened? I'm about to put the bows right here. Do you have a bows? Can I have a bows? Can I have a bows? That one. The kit, the AB kit. I think, is that the bows tiny there? I'm using the, yeah, that's a bow right there. But it might be big. And I want to incorporate with this. Can you show this one? Right here. But this one could be cool though. But this might be big. Look. Oh my gosh. It's never be too big. You think is do you think is another one is good? I should get another one.
No, I think that's perfect.
Should we do another one?
No.
Why?
One
Because
is enough. It's bling out. See? Less is more.
oh my gosh, never enough. I'm gonna put the other one on. And put the bows, this one smaller. You know, so never worry about like or afraid of to create more. You can create it and design however you want for your ornaments. And I did one of the videos before with the ornaments with crystal. Maybe next time I'm gonna do a different like ornaments for you. All right, I'm happy with this. We're going to here. It looks so cute. So this is bow as coming with the ultimate crystal kit, which is so beautiful. And you're seeing it with